Hi everyone, this is Matis Ghana from Bani Foundation. Today we have another video. I'm going to talk to you about the light and sound of God that is known to many of you, by a lot of like teachings or religion or, different kind of beliefs. And I would say it is known to everybody now because a lot of people even experience the light and sound without knowing what it really is. So the light and sound of God that is talked about as Holy Spirit, or the word, as we say, the word or the missing word, or the Kalam al Hay, or other names that it is called, or Ek, and we call it Bani. Bani is a very ancient name for light and sound of God. Is something from God, is part of God that you connect to, and it is close to you. Like in the old times, people used to make like wooden or stone figures and pray to it, or know it as a god. And nowadays, nowadays it has become more like mental figures. So it's like everyone has something in their mind that they call it God, they pray to it, or they talk to it and express their what they want, or this kind of thing. But the thing is, God is always with us. God is always with us, but in order to know it, you have to know yourself first. So self-realization is the first step in it should be in any thinking or any teaching. Self-realization should be put first, and it's not like this at this time. So in Bani teachings, Bani is the light and sound of God, right? In Bani teachings, we teach the ways, the methods that you could connect to the inner master and the light and sound of God. And this is how you know that you are connected. By, these days it's like that, tenderness, that, that beauty, or the good vibe, or something, that was going on in people's life. You see it, you see it is, you see it is fading, and instead we feel like we are more like mechanical machines, working, doing our chores, doing our tasks, daily tasks, and we don't have any time to do anything else. And when we do, we usually think about a lot of things. We have like several scattered things to think about, or our mind will keep pushing us, giving us lots of stresses or lots of feelings, unwanted feelings, or this kind of things. So nowadays people like to do anything that they feel like can help a little bit, like attending positive thinking classes, or positive, try to use like positive energy, or this kind of thing. But these are like a temporary medicine, or temporary solutions for this kind of thing. So if you are looking for the peace, if you are looking for looking for the truths of the word, if you are looking to know, you have to start your teachings. You have to start your search as a seeker to find the truth of the. I'm not talking about the God. Don't think about the God. Just self-realization is the first step, and this is how we start. So when your life is it's kind of you have that feeling inside that is everything is like brighter, there is everything is is not, you have some kind of like happiness inside, not for any reason, just everything in your life is more like vivid. It's not like about anything mental or anything material world, and you know that you kind of are connected to that light and sound of God. And this is an inner feeling. This is a good inner feeling. And this feeling that, you have time to time, I don't know, once a year or less or more, this feeling, this feeling of connecting with something beyond your thoughts, your mind, beyond your day-to-day life, your tasks, your chores, beyond your work duties. This is something that is inside you, and that is the light and sound. That is Bani. So it is connected to you. You might know it or not, but in order to consciously keep this connection and feel this, in the day-to-day life, and kind of balance your life with the soul that is eternal, and that's part of you, that is you actually, and everything that you have, everything that you take with you after this life is from that. So that would be more, you wanna like regulate your life with soul, more than your body needs. We think about eating, sleeping, our body problems like health, work, this kind of thing, even relationships, some needs, some like emotional needs, or some other things, like all the time during in our life, and these are all the body needs. This body is a clothes that we put on, so why we should spend all our life just being worried about it or taking care of it? So there are more important things in life, and when you focus on that, you see all of all of these problems little by little it starts to being resolved, and you feel happier, you feel more on top of everything, you feel you are bigger, you are better, an entity, you are something that is beyond this world, something that will continue after this, or you are you don't have to get back to this life anymore, and you don't have to have another life to find out about the secret of life, about the secret of other worlds. So if you like to learn more, if you like to attend our classes, we have a free sessions for beginners that you could you could like attend with no strings attached, with no like follow up after. So it is in Telegram app. So if you were interested, give us some messages, contact us, and we will give you the link to join. Thank you so much. I'm very happy to be with you today, and have a nice day. May the blessings be.